Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide sensitive notifications on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. If you want to stop displaying notification content on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, then go to Settings, Notifications, Lock screen notifications, and now you can choose whether you want to show or hide content. And now the notifications will be displayed. It will say from which app are they, but it will not display the content of the notifications. So for example, your messages, conversations, whatever. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.